If you're traveling across several countries and want one data solution that works everywhere, a multi-country eSIM is the way to go. And one of the best options right now is Saily. I've placed a link in the description that gives you 15% off any Saily plan worldwide, so make sure to use it if you decide to try it. What makes Saily ideal for multi-country travel is how simple it is. You only install the eSIM once, and then you can add data for different countries or regions without scanning new QR codes each time. No airport queues, no SIM swapping, just buy a plan and go. Saily also offers regional plans that cover multiple countries in one trip. If you're touring Europe, one plan works across most of the continent. Exploring Asia? You get coverage in places like Japan, Thailand, Singapore, Australia, and more, all under one eSIM. They have similar regional options for Latin America, North America, and the Middle East and North Africa, making it easy to stay connected as you cross borders without interruption. Prices vary by region, but smaller data plans typically start around $5 to $7 at. Adicional, you also earn 3% back in Saily credits with every purchase, which is a nice bonus for frequent travelers and setup is quick. Buy a plan, install the eSIM through the Saily app, and it activates automatically when you arrive at your first destination. And if anything doesn't go as planned, Saily offers 24/7 live chat support, very helpful when you're abroad. Another bonus is the built-in features designed to stretch your data and keep you safer online, including an ad blocker and basic web protection. And the service is highly rated, with a 4.7-star score from over 1,000 reviews. So if you want one eSIM that keeps working as you hop from country to country, Saily is one of the most reliable and hassle-free choices out there. You'll find the 15% off link in the description. Grab it before your trip and enjoy stress-free connectivity across borders.